Second lesson: creation of vector triangle, types of RML, relative moment line. So in the first lesson it was visually proved the advantage of use relative motion for the solution of a problem to define an existence danger of collision. Relative radar plotting gives the chance at once get CPA, closest point of approach, and TCPA, its time, and quickly to calculate and choose a safe maneuver. Presentation of relative movement allows to analyze a situation and to reveal really and potential dangerous targets. Simplicity of method gives the chance to conduct a radar plotting with the several targets, to define circumstances of meeting and elements of target motion in mobile system with the coordinates in the center of maneuvering board that corresponds to the actual picture on the radar screen. The first attribute of RRP, relative radar plotting, is the vector triangle. The algorithm of construction you should understand and remember forever. Creation of a vector triangle. First step. Input the vector of our movement, ER, at the center of a maneuvering board. Corresponds our course and the module equal to our speed in 6 minutes. Second step. First, bearing and distance of a target vessel taken by radar, plot on the maneuvering board with the mark point 0. Time fixed and started. Third, by a parallel ruler, our vector from the board center is transferring and sticking into 0 point. I insist on the verb to stick. It's easy to remember. From the beginning of our transferred vector, make a circle equal our 6-minute model. The vector of our true movement is moved. The circle of maneuvering choice is created. Fourth step. In 3 minutes exactly, the second bearing and distance are reading out and inputting on the maneuvering board. This point, intermediate, is giving possibility to carry out a preliminary RML by points 0 and 3 and turn on our mechanism of the analysis of a situation. Step 5. In the 6 minute, take the third bearing distance, and the third and last point of 6-minute vector triangle, point 6, is in setting. The line through the points 0 and 6 has given the final RML, relative motion line. 6. The vector of the sum of our and relative moment will gives the target vessel true vector. It's after parallel transferring to the center will show a target course and its module speed. The vector triangle has been constructed and elements of target vessel motion has got course and speed, but there is no specification for the analysis, such as CPA, closest point of approach, and its time. Step 7. The created perpendicular from the center of maneuvering board to RML is giving shortest distance, CPA. 8. The spread of a pair of compasses equal to a piece of 0,6, RML is dividing by the max with the step of 6-minute relative vector. A time of CPA is x multiplied 6, where x quantity of 6-minute pieces. Now we own the main information for its analysis and a maneuvering choice. I will return to it a bit later. Types of relative moment lines. For the first analysis, the RML, we will create a vector triangle with the same speed of our vessel and target as well. Changing the movement direction at first ours, then the target vessel, we can get the first conclusions. If the RML is absent, it means a satellite vessel with the same motion elements as course as speed. The RML changes is the most promptly if target vessel approach on our counter courses. Second, We reduce our speed twice, and maneuvering. We are changing on course to the left. Here is interesting the RML which slowly moving to our direction only. We will be overtaking. 3. Now target vessel reduce speed twice, and our vessel overtaking it. Further, the target vessel maneuvers. She is turning left up to the opposite course. Now the RML crossed the boat center twice, while the target vessel will lay down on a counter course with the maximum of RML. Thanks a lot for attention. I hope to meet you again for the following lesson. Good luck!